the hammer, turn the screw, cut the saw and stick the glue, shave the shim, clamp the vise, cut once, measure twice.
Hi folks, and welcome back to America's Funniest Handyman. I've got a serious question for you. What do you reach for when the job gets tough? A hammer? A knife? When things just aren't coming together, you ever kick a ladder over? Or punch an apprentice in the face? Of course you have, and so have I, but these types of reactions are juvenile and can lead to injuries. It's time to put away your childish behavior and reach for the product that's totally revolutionizing the entire construction industry. That's right, Johnson's Big Boy Patience in a Can. Lack of patience on the job site can be dangerous and lead to injuries like bloody knuckles and missing fingers. Worst of all, no patience leads to poor productivity, damaged building materials, and hurt feelings. So the next time you feel your blood boiling and you can feel that pressure building inside of your cranium and you know that you're just about to blow, stop. Put down your tools, walk over to the job box, and grab yourself a big helping of Johnson's Big Boy Patience in a Can. Johnson's Big Boy Patience gives you just what you need to finish that installation calmly, efficiently, and without any drama. Big Boy Patience is made from old world peace and new age technology. Johnson's Big Boy Patience allows you to grow up for a change, evolve, and stop acting like a total asshole. So the next time the job is on the line and you want to be the better man, reach for Johnson's Big Boy Patience in a Can.
Johnson's Big Boy is a registered trademark of America's Funniest Handyman. America's Funniest Handyman on YouTube. Come for the knowledge, stay for the laughs.
Fixing stuff in a serious way.